What benefits does an industry-specific ERP solution provide to additive manufacturers?
Traditionally, in the manufacturing environment, you got a big machine, you cut bits of steel or piping, you bend stuff, you hammer stuff, all those cool things that you do to turn a lump of steel into something big and useful, right? That's all great, but usually anytime you want to do that, you've got to create a tool that does the fitting or the cutting or the measurement or whatever of that process to the requirement that you need for that particular customer specification. All that takes time, all that takes money. The concept of additive manufacturing, which is kind of the cool way of talking about 3D manufacturing, is that you can make stuff on the fly. You don't need to create these tools to make it with, right? So the idea is that additive manufacturing can really revolutionise the speed at which traditional manufacturing happens by taking away for these specialised tools that need to be made for each individual requirement you've got from a customer.